Good day everyone. The topic that I will be discussing for today is the open versus closed social media networks. First, let's talk about the social network. What is social network? Social networking is the use of internet-based social media sites to stay connected with friends, family, colleagues, customers, or clients. Social networking can have a social purpose, a business purpose, or both through sites such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram, among others. Sharing models for social network. There are two types of sharing models. The first one is open or the share with everyone model. The second one is the closed model. First, we will talk about the open or share with everyone model. How open model operates. The open or share with everyone model is how Twitter operates. Essentially, it is a broadcast distribution system designed to share as widely as possible. The key advantage is the reach of a message or content distributed this way. Since the message or content is made available to everyone who wants to receive it, they can be shared widely in a short period of time. In open sharing systems such as Twitter, you don't really choose who hears you. Yes, you can block people, but that is not the default nor what most participants want out of this open sharing system. It's these behavioral aspects that really affect how messages are dispersed. Simply put, open models encourage open behavior. Participants are just putting it out there and less worried about individual reactions. It's a person's own fault if they don't like what they hear, since the sender didn't ask if they wanted to hear their message in the first place. Next is the closed model. The closed model favored by Facebook and LinkedIn requires that participants specifically allow others to see messages and content by connecting with them ahead of time. Again, there are ways to have completely open sharing in these models. Facebook pages are an example of this. The advantage of closed model. Limited sharing model is that participant knows something about the person generating message and content. There is an implicit level of trust built into the system. With closed system, interactions only happen between people who have specifically chosen to do so. Both sides of the social transaction have to choose to accept messages from each other. That breeds an implicit trust that the other person is, at the very least, being truthful in what they post. If that trust is broken, the permission to interact can often be rescinded. Conclusion. The model that is best for any given situation depends on what it is the marketing professional is trying to accomplish. To grab attention, fast and broad sharing is best. Both models have their place. Both deliver value. Each provides unique value which can be leveraged differently for marketing success. Here are the references from my report.